Can veneers be used to replace our natural teeth? This was one of the questions asked by one of the subscribers in the comment section in our previous video. So I thought let's do a video on this and address it. To answer it simply, the answer is both yes and a no. I'm going to explain in this video why is it a yes and why is it a no. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running a dental centers at Chennai, Raja, Namalapuram since the year 2001. If you have not subscribed to our channel Pearls Dentistry, please do subscribe to our channel. We're coming out with a new video every day. So now basically we should understand what veneers are. So veneers are just a thin ceramic material, mostly made of ceramic, that is going to overlay on a tooth or cover the structure of the tooth structure. So basically we need to have our existing tooth structure. On top of the existing tooth structure, this veneer is placed on top of it. So basically, unless we have a tooth structure, we won't be able to give a veneer on top of it. Our existing tooth structure can be damaged, can be discolored, cannot be in great shape, and we use a ceramic veneer material to lay on top of the tooth structure to get the tooth that we desire, be it the correct shape, the correct size, the right color and the right proportion. So we give veneers to ensure that we get the great teeth shape. So basically we need a tooth structure. On top of the tooth structure we have the veneer. So basically, can veneers be used to replace missing tooth? The answer is no, because unless we have a natural tooth, we can't use a veneer on top. But I also said yes, it's possible. The reason I said yes, it's possible is we can use veneers on the adjacent teeth to support a full tooth that is used to replace a missing tooth. Let me explain here. For example, we have our central incisor, which is the front tooth, which is present normally. Some people will not have the next tooth, which is the lateral incisor. The second tooth might be missing. So usually when you do either an implant, where we don't do support of the adjacent teeth, we put an implant, or we do a bridge. In bridge, what we do, we prepare the adjacent two teeth, make it smaller in size, and then use to replace the tooth that is missing. Sometimes it's possible, what we do is on the adjacent tooth, we prepare the tooth for a veneer. Attached to the tooth will be this tooth that is lost. So basically, veneers don't replace a missing tooth, but here in this instance, veneers help to restore the missing teeth and help the missing tooth to be held on to the next tooth. So that's the reason I said its answer is both yes and a no. I hope you like this video. If you have any question on this kind of treatment and whether if you are the right candidate and right suitable person for this kind of treatment, please do leave your question in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer. Until next time, this is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry. Bye bye and thank you.
லைக் பட்டன் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐகான் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோஸ் உங்களுக்கு வரும். Thank you.